Reykjavik Energy operates the largest and most sophisticated geothermal district heating system in the world, an electricity distribution network, and a water supply system that meets the most demanding international standards for water quality and the environment. Reykjavik Energy's service area reaches from Borgarfjörður in West Iceland all the way to Thorlakshub in the south, covering an area in which more than half of the nation's population lives. 520 people work at Reykjavik Energy. Every year, 90,000 lunches are prepared in Reykjavik Energy's kitchen. Every year, 15,000 guests are served refreshments in receptions and meetings. The kitchen is located in the main building at Bæjarhús 1 in Reykjavik. A control system called HACCP monitors incoming goods. Quality, quantity, and temperature are checked and compared to the invoice. Every 15 minutes, temperature readings are sent wirelessly from each cold storage and freezer to the kitchen computer, where they're graphically displayed and filed. Raw material is prepared. Vegetables and fruits are washed and dried in a special machine. Reykjavik Energy's kitchen even bakes its own bread. Oven computer programs ensure constant quality control over baking. An appropriate program is chosen, which sends commands to the oven. When the program's finished, the oven rack is transferred to a quick freezer. Meat and fish can be hot or cold smoked. The core probe has 4-point measuring and displays the lowest temperature. Combi ovens are connected to a PC, and recipes can be stored and automatically sent to the ovens. PC HACCP stores all relevant data in graphic form after each cooking process. Mixer kettles can boil, mix, or chill. Just one stirring device is used for both kettles. With the help of an electrical device, emptying kettles becomes easy. Cooking time and electrical efficiency are strong considerations. Raw material is placed on a cold frying pan, and the induction heater is set at full power. The heater doesn't use any electricity unless a pot or pan is placed on the cooking surface. Prepared food is transferred via trolleys. This kitchen also serves approximately 150 people in a nearby Reykjavik Energy Auxiliary building. The dining area is located on the first floor. Employees can choose from a hot and cold buffet, including soup and bread. The employee puts the tray on a conveyor belt that transfers the tray into the washing area. Leftovers are piped into a mincing machine. Refreshments or meals are served at all meetings, receptions, and parties. The kitchen of Reykjavik Energy, using the most sophisticated technology to ensure quality for the well-being of employees and guests.